Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to texture a South Africa cricket kit t-shirt in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is South African cricket t-shirt model in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.